Is your Hyundai Kona's remote not working? First, confirm the issue is likely the battery. Common symptoms include the remote failing to lock or unlock the doors or start the car. The physical keyblade should still work. For 2018-2019 models, you'll have a flip key fob. Opening it requires care. Use a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. If the case is stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for about 30 seconds to loosen any aged glue. Avoid using metal screwdrivers as they can damage the electronics. Pry along the seam, starting near the key ring loop. Work your way around until the case pops open. Be patient and apply steady pressure. With the key fob now open, we can proceed to replace the battery and troubleshoot any issues. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up. Use your pry tool to carefully remove the old battery. Replace it with a new CR2032 battery. Clean any corrosion with rubbing alcohol. Before reassembling, test the remote functions. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly seated and has 3-volt voltage using a multimeter if available. Snap the fob case back together, ensuring a tight seal. If the remote still doesn't function after battery replacement, it might require reprogramming by a dealer, though this is rare. If the case was difficult to open and shows wear, reinforce it with electrical tape to prevent future issues. Recycle the old battery at a local recycling center.